let's get started. Let's go. I do not understand why it keeps going away, but the whole video I have to keep tapping this before it pauses. Look, am I supposed to hold this or something? So, this is pretty weird. I got 1 life left. No, I have 2 lives. What am I talking about? This is working out pretty fine. There we go. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Go boom. Go boom. 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 Bro, for real? Let's go. I got 1 life left. This is terrible. Actually, no, I didn't want to watch an ad. I did not want to watch an ad. Can you just hurry up? Like, bro. I'm gonna cut this out. I need to cut this out because I do not have no ads. Let's go. Boom. No! I got 1 life left. Watch this. I'm about to beat her. No. No, I got up. Oh, for real? I really got up there, and it made me die. Please, just 1 more try. Look. I'm gonna just do it 1 more time. Oh no. I'm a survivor. Look at this. Everything is going just how I want it to. No, I'm not. Let's get it. Look at this. Key, let's go. I need the keys. Let's get it. This is pretty fun. This is very fun, actually. And I finally beat that girl's score. No! Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to the video. Bye.